Hey, David here from Create Your Way of Life, and Mary. We are in middle of the nature, and we decide to shoot one short video, and it's based on question for Mary, and the question is, what is the reason behind earning money? So, Mary, go on.
So this is a great question, David. it's it's one of the things that I consider to be my values on my high priorities is to have freedom. And I don't mean like, country freedom where we're independent and have freedom of speech. I mean my freedom. You know, the freedom to have just enough money or more. I'm not saying I don't want more, but having like enough money that I can earn, not trading my time for it, where I can just have it, maybe passive income, like with this our business. It's a lot of passive income, like while I'm here doing this without, our business is running at home. And my my reason behind earning all of that money is for me to be able to spend more days like this. Quiet, peace. Like there's nothing here, no distractions. I can like breathe and be with my loved one and just relax, just go for a cup of coffee and just sit in nature whenever I want to. And the main reason my value is to be able to do that, to be able to spend more time doing things that I feel are good for me, that I like doing, and to take care of myself, not to take care for someone else's business empire. So I'm just gonna ask this question forward, David. I'm gonna ask all of people watching, what is your reason behind money? Because we think that our reason for earning money is money. Like, oh, I want to have $1 million just because I want to have like paper in my hand. And that's not true. I don't think anyone likes the idea of paper money if you can't do anything with it. So what would you do with that money? Why are you earning it? What do you think will enable you in life? What do you think will money improve in your life? What would you afford for yourself and your loved ones? So I'm asking you the same question. What is behind you? What is behind you earning money? Okay, so let me know all the answers in the comments. I would love to see them. And I will see you in the next video. So this is it from me and David.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.